What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in San Bernardino, Inland Empire. There's a couple shops I want to hit up. Let's see what's up. All right, one of the biggest shoe palaces around, probably in Southern California. This used to be a clearance store. Now it's just a standalone. All right, let's look. Oh, dang, they got sign-ups. They got their seafoam plate, I guess. Okay. Pretty huge store. All right, let's look around. They do have a ton of J's. Got a big old Jordan section. I do miss when this was a clearance store, though, man. I miss it because they had some steals. I don't know. Maybe they'll still have some. Right now, I do think that these are the dopest Jordan 1 lows. Right now, I do think these are the dopest ones. These are fire, dude. I'm not gonna lie. These are fire. And as a collector, I love the fact that the resale's gone down because, yeah, this is dope and it's still readily available. I've seen it at quite a few spots. Got a bunch of lows here. Got these bad boys too. Those are up to 120 now as well. Dude, got some threes, or a pair of threes. 14s. Got the twos for 175. Oh, I missed that low right there. Mid right here. These are 1 1/4. Got these ones. I haven't seen these in forever. The Visionaires. Going for 170, okay. 13s, got the 5s. These are what, 200? 7s, still got those as well. Holy cow, the Brotherhoods. Then of course they do got the 7s still as well. God dang, music is loud as hell here, holy cow. We've been seeing plenty of Air Max on sale, Air Max 97s. Pretty cool colorway, kind of like the sun, I guess. All white with gum, go for 100. LeBron 19s on sale. I still haven't got one. These are already on. I feel like these haven't been out that long, have they? I don't know, $100 for their more tempos. I haven't seen an Adapt in a while. Okay. Another Air Max 97 on sale. That's hella cheap. $80. Got some canvas ones on sale for 30. And this is a huge shop. They do got a ton of apparel. It says 30% off of all this stuff right here. 80, and then, oh, is that 30% just off that? So this is 80. These are normally what, 120, I believe, for the starter jackets. Okay. XL, small, got a few sizes large. Then what's this Dodger one going for? This Dodger one looks pretty fire. Let's see what this is going for. This is 80, and then you get another 30 off. Holy crap. It's a medium. Oh, and this one's a reversible jacket right here. So they're different jackets. This is just a OG reversible. Dodgers right there. And then this one has all the extras on it. They're both $80. 30% off it looks like too. Lakers pullover windbreaker. Go for 70. 250 down to 70. Holy cow. Took me a sec to find these Raiders right here as well. Damn, not bad. Large and medium. Okay. Los Lakers shirts going for $20. Pretty dope. Medium and large right there. This is pretty dope. Look, $10. I did look at this. They only have larges. If they had a medium, maybe. Like with some things I would get a large, but this looks pretty big. Freaking $10 would match a bunch of Laker gear. Oh wait, they do got a medium right here. Thought I looked it up. They got a medium right here for $10. $10. I'm wearing Laker gear. It's pretty close for $10. Even got metal aglets right here. Look at the quality of these. Wow, and it's super thick too. I might have to try it on for $10. Normally 70. Wow. All the other colors are $20. Is that Mace? This song was fire. This song was dope when it came out. What was it, 96, I believe? Do got other Mason article gear. These are pretty fire. Do got these as well. The Los Angeles shirts. I do freaking love these. It's LA Jumpman shirt. I do have a black. I do have a white. Is that a gray? Oh, I was like, is that a gray one? But it is a gray Jordan shirt that has the stitched in Nike or Jumpman logo on it. Yeah, these are dope, dude. Such a fan. $20. I got mine for 10 though, or 13, I think. Now that I think about it, I did see these at a bunch of shoe palaces on sale. This is the only place with them still. That's the issue, damn, dude. And they got a ton. Look, they got a ton. I'm gonna have to come back here see if they're on sale later. Goodfellas shirts. I want these 2 for $25. You know, this is their own brand. You know, they get a bunch of their own brand stuff right here. Scarface. Surprised this one's not on sale. Got the Friend shirts. Like all these always seem to go on sale like pretty quick. These were on sale within like 2 months. And this is pretty dope right here. But look, that's kind of cheesy. I don't know. The stitching kind of ruins it on the back with the guys' names. Like, why do you need all their names on it? I'm back here. I'm wondering if I should get this. It's only $10, but like I literally have 3 Laker hoodies. Like, do I need more Laker hoodies? Like, I know this ain't even official Lakers, but like it, you know, that's what I would wear it with. I'd wear it with all my Lakers gear. Maybe with these shorts. Like that would even match these shorts. Of course, I'm wearing Lakers gear already. Still thinking about it. Still thinking about art. We're checking out the women's section right here. Got some sales. Air Max 97, $100. This is down to 140. Not the greatest sale. And they still got these? What? They still got these? Oh wait, another pair of Air Max 97s. Oh wait, they still got these? That's dope, dude. These are fire, dude. These are the Jordan 1 Low OG. This is the OG. It has the way upgraded material, OG color blocking as well. These are fire, dude. These are fire. $140. I was able to get a pair for a friend for what, 80 something. That was pretty dope. All right, do got these Jordan 1 highs. 170 for those, and these are 180. Dang. Then the black cement golds. Or the gold cement, I don't know. $140. These are on sale. Okay. Get these and just paint that part gray. Then some low SEs. That's what these are. As I mentioned, I think this is like one of the biggest shoe palaces around. It's just huge. So they have plenty of stuff on sale. The longer the stuff sits, the more and more it goes on sale. So see a ton of the Mason article stuff on sale. Like they just have like track jackets. This is a Mason article stuff. Is it really $10 and then 50% off on top? Really? $5 for those? Well, that's cool if someone doesn't care about, you know, brands and stuff. Grab one of those, man. Top Gun shirt for $10. If it wasn't green, if it was a different color, I would grab one of these for my kiddo. He loves that movie. But it's green. It's only $10. But it's green though. Who wants a green shirt like that? Muhammad Ali shirt right here. That is a dope picture. $10. $10. Then this is the Reebok section right here, and Converse as well. These are some dope Converse right here. I would say Chucks, but they're not Chucks. So are they 1 stars? I think they're 1 stars, right? Yeah, man. These are pretty fire, dude. $25 too. Man, got a ton of bling on it. $25. Then Lakers Chinatown Market collab right here. That's actually pretty fire. Some Pro Stars, right? Pro Leathers, my bad. Pro Leathers. That's fire. If these were on sale, maybe $150. That's steep, yo. That's steep. Then the NBA Jams. These are on sale for $30. $30 if you're into the Chucks. This is based off of the Chuck 70, which is even more expensive than the regular Chuck. These are dope for $30, especially if you like NBA Jam. That's a little much for me. I don't think I'd wear something that says NBA Jam on it. But do got these. These are a Shoe Palace exclusive. It says Shoe Palace on it. Supposed to be inspired by a radio, I guess. And then $40. This is based off of the Chuck 72. Chuck 70 started $70-$80, so it's a hell of a deal. Too. These look fire. I'm not gonna lie, these look fire. I just don't wear Chucks. And then they do have some answers, and look at this, $50 for these. Are you serious? The answer lows, they were $140, and the answer highs are going up to $160, $170. So, you know, the new answers that are coming out are gonna be well over $100. That's insane. That's a freaking dope price. And that's a freaking dope shoe too. Patent leather on the front. I'm not the biggest fan of the patent leathers, but these are fire though, especially for $50, man. I was gonna wrap it up, but they got more stuff on sale. I saw that logo right there. Look, Jordan shorts, normally 45 down to 23 bucks. So pretty much 50% off. It is XL all the way to double XL. They got a large too. They got a couple larges in here, decent sizes. I'm not a big fan of the way this fits. $10 is hella cheap, but this is a medium, like kind of tight. Kind of tight for medium. I can wear most mediums. I don't know why that pocket is there. That's just weird. Okay. All right, I do got a homie. He loves the Jordan 1 lows. He said he tried for these online and they're done. I don't know if he's that much of a sneakerhead. He just loves these Jordan 1 lows. That's all he gets. So yeah, I'm gonna grab one of these for him. Damn, do they have these? I haven't seen these. What the hell? Did I miss this? Damn, ooh, dude, leather on these are amazing. Wow, leather on these are actually really nice. Dude, call them the Volts. I haven't seen those in forever. I can't believe they got those. What the hell? All right, they're gonna grab my size 9. Let's go. All right, they told me they don't have a 9. Dang it. They originally told me they did, then they told me they didn't. So, all right, I'll find it somewhere else. No big deal, no big deal. I don't think those are gonna be that hard to find. Definitely dope spot to visit. Man, I'm gonna have to come back. This place dope. All right, let's go do another spot. All right, man, people have been asking for it. I don't know why so many of y'all want me to visit Ross's. All right, let's go, dude. Let's go. Fool's been finding all this Mitchell & Ness gear. I've been finding them at retail shops for just as cheap. I get so mad because all these fools find some dope stuff and I ain't really found much at all. Oh, wait, though. I'm all talking trash and then I find some collabs. These are some Chuck collabs. Some Chuck 70s collab. Look at this. Holy crap. This is fire. $40 for this. Okay. I don't know what size it is. It's a size 7. I don't know. I'm just making stuff up. Like I said, size 8. Got some superstars right here. Oh no, these are some bootleg superstars, yo. Street chip. What the hell? Man. Got some GV specials. These look pretty dope. These ain't too bad. $35. Like a size 9 or something. Champion shoes. Nobody's looking for those. See, this is why I don't hit that many Rosses up. Like, fools who hit up Rosses will hit like 7, 8 a day. I'll hit up like once a week, maybe. Just not finding nothing, dude. See, I was right to talk trash, man. I don't see nothing. Slim pickings. Got some Reeboks here. Some budget Reeboks going for 35. I don't know what the hell these are. What is it, nanos or something? I don't know. These are huge, though. But that's it, man. I've not really seen much else. Some classic Reeboks right here. 35 for those. And then this right here, that's it. Some Converse basketball with some Zoom Air, which are Nikes. Come on now, though. $40 for these. That's it. Did forget to mention, this is a Ross out in San Bernardino. And I'm not finding any quality items. It's like a budget Memphis shorts right here. Some budget ones. Normally 40 down to 12 bucks. Don't see no Mitchell & Ness gear. Then of course I'm looking for jerseys and stuff. Nothing slim pickings. Just not much at all, yo. I think that might be it, dude. All right, I'm out.